If you enjoy sweet cold drinks at home, like iced tea and lemonade, you may be frustrated by how long it takes to dissolve sugar into your drink. One solution is to buy simple syrup, but this is expensive, inconvenient, and produces unwanted waste for the landfill. Fortunately, it's super easy and inexpensive to make simple syrup at home. Just add a cup of sugar to a cup of water and give it a quick stir. Microwave this on high for 1.5 minutes. Give it another stir, and if you still see crystals, just microwave it a little longer, and then stir again. This makes almost 1 2/3 cups of syrup. Once it cools, pour it into a glass container and store it in the fridge so it doesn't grow mold. The syrup sweetens your tea instantly. Enjoy!